Hello everyone, this is MM207 Group. Our project of mini model is for smart cities. We know that in India traffic is increasing day by day, and because of this we are making digital electro board or intelligent traffic system ITS for ambulance. In this video we are just going to show the simple look of our model based on GPS system. This is the simple look of our digital electro board, and all the connections will be wireless, which will be placed in besides of all the traffic signals. Firstly, ambulance will choose where he want to go, and then he will select the smallest route to his hospital. So he has selected the hospital he want to reach, and he got the direction, and now he will select the smallest route for it. In this route all the signals board will be activated. In our digital board, we have done a wireless connection by using following things like 3 Arduino Uno, 3 HC05 Bluetooth modules, and some connecting wires, and 3 LEDs. Here are you can see this program is we are going to use in Arduino Uno for providing the wireless connection and Bluetooth module. So here we are making a wireless connection using this Arduino, and you can see we are blinking the light without any connection with our device. So this device will be placed on that ambulance screen, and he can control all the digital board of its routes.